UC or unified communications. People talk so much about it, and manufacturers market so hard about it. This concept has been overwhelmingly injected into our mind. But what is UC, and how's it unified? Today, we're going to give you an introduction without all the buzz to help you really understand UC and decide if it suits your business. Let's start by looking at a communication system. Back in years, a communication system equals a phone system and a fax machine deployed in a company. For regular users, that means we only have a phone on our desk. When we need to find our colleagues or external contacts, we have to pick up the phone and call them. We have no other options, which means there is no unified communications back then. As the technology advanced, things changed. Now people have multiple communication systems, with an enterprise phone system in company, personal mobile in hand, and other communication platforms like instant messaging, emails, conference system, etc. Even though the bring us massive convenience and change our lives, there's still one problem. They're separated from each other. The data is not synchronized, and the user experience is very inconsistent. For example, if we're out of the office, calls made to our company phones cannot reach to our mobile, as there are two individual systems with no direct access to each other. And that's only considering company phone and personal phone. When we include our email, chat, and other platforms, this issue only gets worse. So what UC do is unifying all our communication systems. This way, all platforms can be linked and interact with each other. They don't have to be on the same interface, but the data are synchronized. And the user experience is also unified. Now with UC, we can have a VoIP telephone system deployed for the company, and a soft phone application in our mobile. This way, when a call reaches our company phone, our mobile will also receive it and see the caller ID directly as if from the desktop phone. And if we receive a voicemail, we can also see and check it from the mobile. What's more UC solutions come with video conference feature that can serve local and remote participants with their own PC or mobile. Presence, instant messaging, CRM integration, call management, emails, and many other features and third-party integration can all work together for your business to improve work efficiency. In one word, it brings your communication platforms together and have them work as closely as possible with data sync, interaction, and third-party integration. Alright, that was all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. More details about unified communications, visit yaestar.com.